Emily, is that Trent's card for his birthday? Okay, you want to write something on his card? Make some happy faces over here. Do something for Trent. Okay, what else? Make something big. Oh, you understand exactly what I said, my love. Oh, you made some eyes and mouth. Is that for Trent? Is that for Trent, Emily? Okay. Okay. Good job, young lady. Very thoughtful, young lady. Okay, are you done? All done. Okay.